Hello 8th standard students, it's my immense pleasure to meet you all once again. So today we are going to discuss geography lesson representation of geographical features and part 2. Okay, so part 1 we have discussed already. So shall we move on to the topic? Good. So first of all, what is contour? So what does mean by contour, children? Contour is nothing but elevation or height from the sea level. I just write here. What does mean by contour? Contour means elevation. E-L-E-V-A-T-I-O-N. Elevation or height. H-E-I-G-H-T. Height. Elevation or height from the sea level. From the sea level. So what is mean by contour? Contour is nothing but elevation or height from the sea level. Yes, Lakshana, what is contour? Elevation or height from the sea level. In Tamil, what we can say, children? உயரம். So, கடல் பகுதியிலிருந்து எவ்வளவு உயரத்தில் அந்த land surface இருக்கு அப்படின்றத தான் நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்றோம்? Contours. And also children, contour is known as imaginary lines. So, these contour lines are known as imaginary lines. I-M-A-G-I-N-A-R-Y. Imaginary lines. Because these contour lines we can't see on the earth's surface. So that we can say this imaginary lines, and these imaginary lines are same elevation from the sea level. So here children, contour means elevation or height. Okay, and also we can say that contour lines are known as imaginary lines. That means கற்பனை கோடுகள். நிஜமாவே அந்த மாதிரி கோடுகள் இருக்கா? No, not at all. Because we can say this is known as the imaginary lines on our earth surface. And also you know one thing, no children, our earth surface is uneven. It is not level. What does mean by uneven, children? What is mean by uneven? Not level. Not level. So what is mean by uneven? Unlevel or not level. Okay. So that means our earth surface is uneven, which is made up of mountains, plains, plateaus, hills, deserts and oceans, rivers, yes, glaciers, etc. So these are the uneven land surfaces. So these are the land forms which is presented in our earth surface. Okay, shall we move on to the next topic, children? Good. So look at here, children. What I said, no children, what is contour? It's elevation. This is sea level. Yes, what is contour? Yes, I told no children, contour means elevation or height from the sea level. Okay, so this is mountains, isn't it now? So how much of height or how much of elevation from the sea level? Yes, 3,500 feet. Okay, and here the lines is there, no children. These lines are told, what I said, these lines are known as imaginary lines. These imaginary lines are known as the contour lines. These imaginary lines are known as the contour lines, and these lines I told elevation or height from the sea level. கடல் மட்டத்திலிருந்து எவ்வளவு உயரத்தில் இந்த மலை வந்து அமைஞ்சிருக்கு. So that is, we can say that contour lines, and these contour lines, no children, it is which is same height or same elevation from the sea level. So contours is nothing but elevation or height from the sea level, and the lines are known as imaginary lines, and these imaginary lines are same elevation from the sea level. Okay, shall we go for the next? Contour interval. That means இடைவெளி அப்படி சொல்றோம். So what is this contour interval, children? I'll just explain what is contour interval. So contour interval is nothing but the differences in elevation between two mountains is known as contour interval. The differences of elevation between two mountains. So look at here children, this is a mountain and here is a mountain and here is a mountain. So look at these three mountains and this is the elevation and here the mountain elevation. So ivlo height la vandu adu irukku and here the elevation is 3000 and here the mountain elevation is 3500 and here look at children, this is 2000. So here the difference between these two mountains, isn't it? So these differences in elevation, so these differences is known as contour interval. So contour interval is nothing but the differences in elevation between two mountains is known as contour intervals. Next topic is slope. What is meant by slope children? First I will write what is slope. So look at here, what is slope? Slope is nothing but slanting, S-L-A-N-T-I-N-G, slanting, or we can say inclination, inclination. So what is slope children? Slope is nothing but inclination or slanting. தமிழ்ல சொல்லணும்னா என்ன சொல்லணும்? தமிழ்ல சொல்லணும்னா சாய்வு அப்படினு சொல்லலாம். தமிழ்ல ஸ்லோப்னா என்னக்கனா சாய்வு. So what is meant by slope? Slope is nothing but inclination or slanting. Okay. So next here the two types of slope is there. Shall we see? Yes, the types of slopes. Here the two types of slopes is here. So what are the two types of slopes? Steep slope and gentle slope. Steep slope and gentle slope. Okay, shall we see what is steep slope children? What is steep slope? I told you children, contour lines are known as imaginary lines. Okay, if the contour lines are drawn very close together, it is known as steep slope. So contour lines are very close together, very close together. So if the contour lines are very close together, it is known as steep slope. Okay, shall we see the image of this? Yes, this is steep slope. Look at here children, this is the steep slope and it is the contour lines are drawn very close together, like we can say for narrow. Okay, and next gentle slope. So what is gentle slope? So what is gentle slope? Gentle slope is nothing but if the contour lines drawn very far apart. Contour lines are drawn very far apart. Far apart in the sense it just presented very distance. Okay, so if the contour lines are drawn far apart, we can say that is known as the gentle slope. So this is the image of the gentle slope. So look at this slope children, how it is presented, little different from the steep slope. Okay, so these are two slope which is known as steep slope and gentle slope, and these steep slope and gentle slope shall we see in the map diagram. Look at here children, this is the map diagram. Here gentle slope and steep slope as given here. Look at these lines. Yes, these are the lines are called imaginary contour lines. So these lines are known as the imaginary contour lines. And look at here, these lines are drawn very far apart. Yes, if the contour lines are drawn far apart on the earth's surface, then it is known as the gentle slope. Whereas here, look at here children, these contour lines are very close together. These contour lines are very close together. So these contour lines is presented on our earth's surface is very close together, then it is known as the steep slope. So gentle slope and steep slope. Okay. Next, saddle. What is mean by saddle? Saddle is nothing but, look at here children, I will write here, shallow depression between two peaks of mountains. So shallow depression between two peaks of mountains is known as saddle. So peaks, what we can say for peak? Yes, the tip of mountain. Look at here, if the mountain is like this, then this is known as the peak. Isn't it, na? Which is the highest peak in Himalayas? Everest. And what is the height? Yes, 8,848. So this tip we can say the peak. Okay. So shallow depression between two peaks is known as saddle. Okay children, shall we see this in the image? Yes, saddle. Look at here children. So this is a peak and here is the peak. So between the depression, shallow depression, this shallow depression is known as saddle. So shallow depression between the two peaks is known as saddle. And next, pass. What does mean by pass children? I will write here what is the meaning for pass. It is formed between two hills or mountains. It is formed between the two hills or mountains. So pass is formed between the two hills or mountains, and also we can see this, it is served as a route, I mean land route for the mountain passengers. Okay, so whoever are crossing the mountains, and this is serve as a land route for them. Shall we see this in the image children? Yes, look at here. Yes, I told no children, pass is formed between, this is a pass, a land route, okay, and between the two hills or mountains. So just pass is formed between the two hills or two mountains, and also we can say this is a land route. It is a land route for crossing the mountain ranges. So whoever want to cross the mountain ranges, they just considered or served pass as a land route. Okay, and next topic is gap. What is gap children? Gap is nothing but it is formed low depression to the ground formed between a hill ranges. So this is known as gap. It is just a low depression to the ground and formed between the two or hill ranges. So shall we see this in the diagram? So look at here children. So two mountain ranges. So this is the gap. So look at here, this is a gap, and it is presented this between the two mountain ranges. Okay children, this is known as the shallow depression to the ground. Now children, look at this study material. The same study material which we are given in the description box. Look at here, what to topographical map, and question number 2 is what is your contour line. Like that, the many questions and also the additional questions which is given in the description box. And this is question bank, and also question bank given in the description box, and make useful to this children. Thank you very much. See you on next class.